Are you ready to be the change? Be part of the first ever Hmong AI microfilm. Industry-friendly, culturally rooted, creatively fearless, incredibly versatile. Micro in time, massive in impact. A new era is here and it's flipping the script. Let's be real, traditional Hmong movies are fading. Long episodes, slow-paced, dragged-out plots just for views. And yeah, to be honest, the acting is, not there yet. In today's world, we live on shorts, reels, fast emotions and swipe-worthy stories. And our stories need to evolve with us. That's why Cow Da is in the making, the first Hmong AI horror microfilm, told in under 5 minutes. No voiceovers, no dialogue, no words needed because sometimes silence says more than anything. Just raw emotion told through movement, atmosphere, and music. Every glance, every movement, every moment, designed to immerse you fully, and the music becomes the heartbeat of the story. Let your imagination take over and become part of the story. This is Hmong storytelling for the now. It's fast, powerful, original, rooted in folklore, reimagined through AI, built to move you, visually and emotionally. This isn't just a film, it's the start of a movement. We're building the future of short-form Hmong cinema, Hmong microfilms. Be part of something new, something bold, something Hmong. Show your support. $1 can help spark the future. Be part of the first wave. Support a new generation of Hmong storytelling with fast, cinematic, and unforgettable experiences. Support the vision, invest, and help fund this project with our GoFundMe link in bio. Help us rewrite the future of Hmong cinema.